Leadership that Transforms, Call for Change in Zimbabwe, by Innocent Moindisvo and Hira, Change Radio. Calls are growing louder for Zimbabwe to embrace transformative leadership that prioritizes citizens' welfare, national progress, and inclusive governance. Analysts and commentators have highlighted that the country, despite its history of resilience, risks stagnation if leaders fail to adapt to the demands of modern statecraft. Observers argue that Zimbabwe needs leaders with vision, courage, and the capacity to balance political, social, and economic reforms. Such leadership, they say, should not only focus on technical governance, but also foster transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in decision-making. Leadership is more than managing statecraft, Nhira said. It is about creating an environment that inspires innovation, encourages citizen participation, and ensures that no one is left behind. The discussion comes at a time when the nation continues to grapple with economic challenges, social inequalities, and public distrust in institutions. Analysts insist that rebuilding trust between leaders and citizens must become a national priority. This, they stress, can only be achieved if leaders place the interests of the people above personal or partisan gains. Effective leadership, commentators add, should channel resources into education, healthcare, infrastructure, and job creation. It must also promote social justice, safeguard human rights, and build opportunities for the youth. By doing so, Zimbabwe could unlock its potential and create a fairer, more prosperous society. The future of Zimbabwe depends on the quality of its leadership. We need leaders who are willing to be held accountable, who can listen to criticism, and who are not afraid to make difficult but necessary decisions, Nhira explained. Despite challenges, Zimbabwe's history of resilience offers hope. Many believe that with visionary and accountable leadership, the nation can achieve sustainable development and chart a path toward peace, prosperity, and dignity for all. The call to action is clear. Zimbabweans must demand more from their leaders, hold them accountable, and work collectively to shape a brighter tomorrow.